I wanted to be a part of Girls Who Code because it was an opportunity for me to try something new. I wanted to be a
coding experience. It's really hard to find classes, and my school doesn't have any clubs.
At first it's kind of intimidating and you feel like you're not gonna get through it and you don't know really how.
It gave me the confidence to believe that I can learn this sort of thing, and I thought that it would be really hard. It's become really easy to learn these things, and I think that's really cool.
Currently, I teach computer science. Prior to that, I was at Howard University. I've returned to pursue a doctoral degree in computer science education with a focus on artificial intelligence. So Girls Who Code is a really good pillar that these girls can stand on to see tech professionals who look like them, who talk like them, who sound like them, and they encourage them to be the best that they can be and use computer science in everything that you do.
I personally really enjoyed 2048 just because you sit there and you play the game on your phone and you're like, this must have been so hard to code, and you're having a great time, but I did it, we did it, we can do that stuff.
We reached this moment where it clicked, and then you get there and it's really great, and it's one of the best feelings I've ever had.
Also, we get to bond with each other, even more sisterhood.
Yeah, it's been really cool watching everyone become so close.
She had a lot of interest in the same things that I was interested in.
We're both coming up with different ways to redefine what our project can be, and it's so great to have someone else who's also coming up with ideas.
I think it's so important that we girls have Girls Who Code for us, because computer science field really could use women in technology, and seeing how much I like it and how everyone else in the program likes it just makes me think about how many other girls we can impact with programs like Girls Who Code.
So we have a summer program, we call it our summer immersion program, where we put 20 girls at a time in a technology company, and they learn the fundamentals of computer science. They learned, coding languages, they learned how to build a mobile app, how to build a website. The last 2 weeks, they actually have their own projects, so where they design or create something, whether it's an algorithm or whether it's an app.
I definitely wish I had a program like Girls Who Code when I was growing up. Because when I was a freshman in college, in my first introduction to computer science course, I was one of the few girls in that class, and I was definitely one who had never ever had an opportunity to code before.
So as far as I'm concerned, we run the internet. Women Facebook more, they tweet more, they make 85% of all consumer purchases. I think our world is just going to be a better place with more female engineers and software programmers. We should be sitting on the other side.